Laptops are on-the-go individuals' best friend as they usually lightweight, easy to use, offer a range of features and are available in a sleek, trendy design. Most importantly, you can now find good laptops under 50,000 and meet all your needs comfortably. However, finding a laptop for yourself among the top laptops under 50,000 can be quite a task, especially since there is a seemingly endless list to choose from. And that's exactly why in this video I'm going to show you some of the best laptops under 50,000 rupees that you can buy right now. Also, you can read detailed analysis of these laptops on our website. Links will be given in the description down below. So guys, this is Sulaiman Khan and let's start. So the first one in our list is Mi Notebook 14. Xiaomi has been preferred by the masses as it offers amazingly affordable gadgets. Mi Notebook 14 is one such gadget that offers supreme performance and premium specifications at an affordable price. The body of the laptop is made up of aluminium alloy, which gives it a robust and durable feel. The laptop comes with a scissor switch keyboard and multi-touch trackpad. The laptop possesses a sleek design and is lightweight, which makes it portable. To regulate the temperature of the laptop, a grill cutout has been placed at the bottom of the laptop that manages the heat level during heavy multitasking. So, talking about the processor of Mi Notebook 14, it has 10th generation Intel i5 quad-core processor that can turbo boost up to 4.2 GHz. The laptop has 8GB DDR-RAM and 512GB SSD storage that is ample for multitasking. The processor and the performance of the laptop are impressive, which is the main cause of including it in our list of best laptops under 50,000. The laptop comes with 14-inch anti-glare Full HD display that supports resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels. The visual experience of the display is immersive that offers you a 360 view. The color and contrast level of the display is sharp and crisp clear. The laptop is packed with 46-watt battery that can offer you around 7 hours of usage time on a single usage. You can juice up the laptop from 0 to 50 in 35 minutes thanks to the 35-watt power adapter. Mi Notebook 14 is unbeatable in terms of performance. At this price point, you should surely try this laptop if you are looking for quality laptop. So the next one in our list is HP 15S. This elegant looking laptop by HP could be your first choice if you are planning to buy a laptop under budget of 50,000. HP 15S would be an ideal buy for students and professionals who are in search of a decent laptop. The laptop has a silver metallic matte finish body that looks sturdy and feels premium in hands. The precisely spaced keys on the keyboard improve your work efficiency. You get a pre-installed Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019 in this machine. HP 15S is a Ryzen laptop where you get a Ryzen 5 3500U processor that has a base speed of 2.1 GHz and can clock up to a max speed of 3.7 GHz. The laptop has Radeon Vega 8 graphics, which is handy in playing lag-free visuals. In terms of storage, the laptop has 512GB SSD storage along with 8GB DDR4 RAM. The 8GB RAM and 512GB SSD storage is an ideal figure for the users who buy a laptop for standard usage. So talking about the display of the laptop, it has 15.6-inch Full HD SVA WLED display that supports a resolution 1920 x 1080 pixels. The visuals on the display are crisp, clear, and you can witness high quality visuals on the screen without any lag. It is a mid-range laptop and you can expect an average performance of 5 to 6 hours on one charge, and this machine offers the same. The laptop can go on for 6 hours when you have once fully charged it. The laptop has an elegant design and decent spec sheet which would satisfy a buyer if he is spending 50,000 rupees. The quad-core processor of the device is powerful, which is also one of the striking feature of this machine. So the next one in our list is Lenovo IdeaPad Slim. Lenovo is another one of those brands that have always been the top priority of laptop users for years. Lenovo IdeaPad Slim, as the name suggests, is a sleek laptop that is loaded with ample features. The laptop has a thin and slim design which has been finely crafted with a metallic finish. The laptop feels light in hands and you can easily carry it outdoors. USB and Ethernet ports have been placed on the side of the laptop alongside aux port. The inbuilt speaker in the laptop offers you 360 surround sound. The backlit keyboard simplifies the task that you are doing in dark lighting conditions. The laptop has been powered by 10th generation Intel Core i5-1035Gi processor with a base speed of 1 GHz and 3.6 GHz max speed. You get an 8 GB RAM capacity that can carry all your tasks smoothly and runs on Windows 10 Home. For storing all your data, the laptop has been fitted with 1 TB HDD, which is ample at this price point. The laptop comes with 15.6 inches Full HD anti-glare display that is coupled with two-sided narrow bezels. The display produces high-quality resolution visuals with a refresh rate of 60 Hz that makes it one of the best laptops under 50,000 segment. The color and contrast level of the visuals are sharp and clear that portrays the finest details. An anti-glare display ensures a comfortable viewing experience which is present in this laptop, guys. On an average, battery can last up to 7 hours if you are using it in a normal case scenario. Apart from average usage time, the laptop is offering extraordinary features at an affordable price point. You can spend your hard-earned money on this laptop without giving any second thought. So guys, these are the top 3 best laptops under 50,000 rupees that you can buy right now. Do you think we have missed any laptop? Let us know that in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.